In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a single-page app in Bubble.io. We're going to set up a clean, flexible foundation for a true single-page experience, where different screens live on one page and you switch between them without navigating away. Start by opening your Bubble app and working with the default index page. If you already have multiple pages, you can still follow along, but the goal here is to keep everything on a single page. Begin by configuring the page layout. In the Pages property editor, set the container layout to column. This makes stacking your screen sections straightforward and keeps responsive behavior predictable. Leave the "This page is a fixed width" option off unless you specifically want a non-responsive page, like a static landing style. In most cases, responsive layouts are best, especially for dashboards and apps that need to adapt to different device sizes. Next, create your screens using groups. Think of each major screen or section as one main group that fills the page's content area. For example, you might have Group Home, Group Dashboard, Group Profile, and Group Settings. Clear naming helps you stay organized as your app grows. Set each of these groups to be top level on the page, not nested inside each other, and give them layouts that match their content. Use column when you're stacking elements vertically, or row when items should sit side by side. Pay attention to alignment, spacing, and min-max widths to keep things consistent across screens. A crucial setting for each screen group. Uncheck "This element is visible on page load" for all screens except your default screen, such as the home group. This ensures you don't see overlapping content when the page first loads. Only the default screen should show initially. The others stay hidden until you intentionally reveal them. Now set up the navigation backbone with a custom state on the page. Select the page itself, open the custom state section, and create a new state called current page. Set its type to text and give it a default value of home. This custom state will hold the name of the screen you want to display. By changing this state later, you'll control which group becomes visible and which ones stay hidden, giving you that smooth SPA feel without navigating to different pages. With your page layout, screen groups, visibility, and current page state in place, you've built a solid structure for a single page app in Bubble. From here, you can connect your UI to that state and scale confidently, knowing your screens are organized, responsive, and ready to grow.